So, in this exercise, we will learn how to find out principal value. You have to find out principal value of sine inverse minus 1 by 2. First of all, you will write is equal to theta. Okay? Sine theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now the question is, for which value of theta? Just delete minus for some time. For which value of theta? The value of sine theta is 1 by 2, pi by 6. And range of sine inverse is minus pi by 2. So you can write it sine minus pi by theta is equal to, and theta is sine inverse minus 1 by 2. Come to this portion, tan inverse minus root 3 is equal to theta. Tan theta is equal to for which angle tan theta is equal to root 3? Pi by 3. You can write it like this also, which is equal to tan minus pi by. So theta is equal to, range of tan theta is minus pi by 2. Okay. So what is theta? Theta is tan inverse this is the principal value, this is the principal value. The real twist is with cos theta, cot theta and cos inverse minus 1 by 2. So you just write it theta, cos theta is equal to, just delete it for some time. For which value of angle? Pi by 3. But you can't write it with minus because range of cos theta is 0 to pi. So cos theta is equal to pi minus pi by 3. Why I am not writing pi plus pi by 3? Because it will enter in third quadrant. Means it will more than pi. It will be more than 5. Pi से ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. You have to contain yourself between 0 and pi. So cos theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. You have to write here cos theta is equal to cos so theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. Okay, and what is theta? Similarly, you will come here theta, cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. For which value of angle? Pi by 4. Pi by 4. So cos theta is equal to cos pi minus pi by 4. Cos theta is equal to cos 3 pi by theta is equal to, and theta is cos inverse this principal value, not equal to this principal value. You can write it 3 pi by 4. Any doubt? Here we are going to find out the principal value of cosec inverse minus under root 2. So you have learned in class 10 that cosec is inverse of sin theta, cosec theta, cos is inverse of sec theta, and cot is inverse of tan theta. Here nothing will happen if you write cosec in the form of sin theta, because cosec and sin both have range minus pi by 2, pi by 2. But there is something wrong with tan and cot. Range of tan theta is minus pi by 2, and that of cot theta is. So, whatever trigonometric ratio has been provided to you, you have to find the value for the same. Do not change the trigonometric ratio. Means it has been given cosec. So just retain yourself in cosec. Don't move in sine. So what is cosec theta? Okay. Do not write it sin theta is equal to minus 1 upon root 2. Because here there will be nothing incorrect. But in case of tan and cot, the whole thing will be incorrect. Okay. So for what angle? Cosec theta is root 2 pi by 2. Negative possible.
Yes, sir.
Range is minus pi by 2, pi by 2. So theta is equal to
Minus pi by 2.
And if you are appearing in any entrance examination, you can directly write the value. But in board examination, you have to show. But in case of tan inverse 1, everybody knows the value of tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Cos inverse minus 1 by 2. We have just discussed. Value of this one is cos pi minus pi by 3. So,
Pi by 3.
but in board examination, you have to take it and solve as I have solved in question number 1. And here, what will be value?
Pi by 6.
Minus. Very good. Now it is the turn of LCM. If sin inverse x is equal to y, then y is equal to y lies in between. Now you have to just remind that in your book it has been given range of sin inverse what? This is closed interval. It means sin inverse x is greater than or equal to minus pi by 2, less than or equal to. If it was just like in open bracket this, then you have to remove this sign is equal to. So y will be greater than or equal to pi by 2 and less than or equal to. In option, what it will be given? It will be given without is equal to sign also. So you get me confused. What is the answer? So here the bracket, the big bracket, closed bracket, tells you that you have to write is equal to sign. Okay? The last question of this exercise, which has appeared in board exam 3 times. 3 times since I am this school. This question has appeared 3 times. So, I want that first of all you solve the question. After that I will give you the explanation. Okay? Okay. Tan inverse root 3. So, just suppose this question has appeared in your board examination. X, tan x is equal to root 3. So, tan x is equal to tan pi by 3. X is equal to pi by 3. Sec inverse minus 2 is equal to y. Sec y is equal to minus 2. So sec y is equal to sec pi by 3 क्या होता है pi minus is equal to 2 pi by 3 sec 2 pi by 3 sorry. So y is equal to 2 pi by 3. You have calculated the value of x and y. Just put here pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3 is equal to minus pi by 3. And this is your answer. So all questions related to principal values have been discussed. Now we will discuss 8 formulae of inverse trigonometry function. 8 formulae. What are those formulas? In the next segment it will be discussed.